Hi everyone, it's day 19. Today we're going to talk about holiday menu planning. Today's a great day to sit down and plan your holiday menus. Match them to your grocery store sales. If turkey's on sale, and I promise you it is, it's not necessary for you to have to go the prime rib route. Find ways you can use turkey on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. Your family will be fine because you are such a fantastic cook and you have such great ideas for menus. Inventory your pantry, your refrigerator, and your freezer. You certainly don't want to rebuy things you already have. Then collect coupons for the ingredients on your list and begin stockpiling items you'll need that are on sale. There you go. Happy menu planning. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.